Good morning, everyone. Today, our topic is electrochemical series. Okay, one series we have done earlier also, that one is reactivity series, but that reactivity series is only for metals. Okay, this electrochemical series is for both metals as well as for non-metals. Now, in this one, simple, okay, the arrangement of elements in order of increasing electrode potential values, okay, that one is called electrochemical series. Means in simple terms you can understand this thing, okay, in this series that one is arrangement of elements in increasing order of electrode potential. We have done oxidation half, reduction half already. Okay, now in that one, and now in present convention what we have done, that one is simple. We will take all these value in the terms of reduction potential. Now for electrochemical series, just see there is an arrangement. Instead of this you can write it's a it depends upon table ki how that table is arranged, either it's an increasing order or decreasing order. Now just see in this one, now check this table is some values are given to you, and this one is a table for a standard electrode potential. Okay, now all the values no need to learn, only you have to understand things. Now just see in this one. Okay, now it's a simple arrangement. It's a lithium, potassium, barium, calcium that just show so on. Just see it's a hydrogen in between, then copper, iodine, then this one. Okay, now just see what, why this electrochemical series, yeah, what's the use of this one. Actually just see, this one is a simple arrangement of electrode potential. It's an increasing order. Now it's started with minus 3.05, then minus 2 point. Just see the numbers are increasing. It's a values. Okay, what happened when lithium, after this one is L positive, after gain of electron it becomes Li2, this one is okay, so the value is minus, okay, that one is 3.05. okay, actually you know that in case of this one, those who have lower value of electrode potential, they have tendency to, okay, lose electron more easily. okay, remember, मीन्स दोज वैल्यू या सिंपल जिसकी इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल की वैल्यू कैसी होंगी, कम होंगी. ओके, दे हैव टेंडेंसी टू शो ऑक्सीडेशन, मीन्स लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. एंड दोज हु हैव मोर वैल्यू, okay, they have tendency to, okay, shows reduction. okay, and that one is again simple, they shows reduction, it means gain of electron. okay, now just see in this case, simple values given to you, this one is not required, even no need to learn value, only you have to learn for that one is which one is most strong oxidizing agent and which one is a strong reducing agent. okay, I think you know those who have tendency to gain electron easily, they are more strong oxidizing agent, and those who have tendency to lose electron, they are reducing agent. Now it shows what, as we move down the group, just see this one is a arrow डाउन द ग्रुप, तो टेंडेंसी फॉर रिडक्शन टू अकर, जैसे से नीचे आ रहे टेंडेंसी टू रिडक्शन अकर, इट मीन्स ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पावर इंक्रीजिंग. जस्ट सी, बिकॉज जितने अच्छा रिडक्शन होगा उतने ज़्यादा वो क्या होंगे, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट स्ट्रॉन्ग. इट मीन्स दैट फ्लोरीन इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बिकॉज देयर इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल वैल्यू इज हाई. Now this one is, as we move like this in upward direction, so this one is they have tendency to shows oxidation, means okay, they are good reducing agent. So which one is very good reducing agent? This one is lithium. Although in reactivity series we start with potassium, then sodium, like that. okay, now but in this one, that lithium has more, practically lithium has comparatively more tendency to lose electron because their electrode potential value is low. okay, so this one is the strongest reducing agent, fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent, and now just see this one is in between, it's a hydrogen. ठीक है, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज, तो थोड़ा सा अगर ध्यान रखें इसमें, तो जस्ट सी दोज हु आर अबव हाइड्रोजन, whatever is the element, okay, जो भी हाइड्रोजन से ऊपर है, just check, okay, their electrode potential value is less than 0, means they are in negative and they have tendency to lose electron more easily. It means okay, they have tendency to replace hydrogen, okay, from their solution, whatever is there, they have tendency to replace hydrogen. okay, but those who have more value, Now just see, okay, either it's a copper and all, they have tendency to, okay, gain electron, and they have no tendency, or simple, they are not able to replace hydrogen from their solution, or simple hydrogen either from acid or some other thing. Okay, so this one is simple thing. Now what's the use of this electrochemical series? Okay, first thing, it's required in numerical, that will solve in next video. Okay, and application of electrochemical series. Now just see application. First application, simple, it is helpful in knowing the relative strength of oxidizing and reducing agent. According to value, you can see the value, simple value, and you can easily identify which one is a strong oxidizing and reducing agent. Now calculation of EMF of the cell, because E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So with the help of value, you can easily identify which one is cathode and which one is anode. Now this one is helpful in predicting the feasibility of the reaction. Feasibility of the reaction means, suppose लिखने के लिए तो हम कुछ भी लिख दें, ठीक है, बट एक्चुअली में दिस रिएक्शन इज पॉसिबल और नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, तो दिस वन इज अगेन दैट इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सीरीज इज हेल्पफुल इन नोइंग द प्रिडिक्शन ऑफ द रिएक्शन ऑल्सो. ओके, हाउ सिंपल, अ रिएक्शन इज feasible only if the species which has higher reduction potential, higher reduction potential means जिसकी वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी, okay, is reduced means it shows the process of reduction, tendency to gain electron. Okay, and the species which has lower electrode potential. अच्छा, lower और higher का comparison ऐसा नहीं है कि you will search only for negative sign or only for positive sign. Simple thing, suppose if this one is given 3.05, okay, and this one is given 2 minus 2.93. now in this also, okay, one act as a oxidizing agent, one act as a reducing agent, because comparative to another one, this one is lower value and this one is higher value. So don't think and don't get confused only for positive and negative one. यहाँ पे हम बात किसकी कर रहे हैं? those who have higher reduction potential or lower reduction potential. Okay, now so this one is simple, so those who have higher reduction potential, so comparatively this one higher value, okay, it get reduced. Okay, and those who have lower electrode potential, it get oxidized, means gain of, sorry, this one is loss of electron, and those who have higher one, they get reduced. Okay, so this one, so then only reaction is possible, otherwise not. Okay, even another application also, to predict whether a metal can liberate hydrogen from acid or not. All these things already explained to you. Simple, only those metal can liberate hydrogen from acid which has negative value of reduction potential. जितनों की नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, दे हैव टेंडेंसी टू रिप्लेस हाइड्रोजन, एंड दोज हु हैव पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, ओके, दे हैव नो टेंडेंसी टू रिप्लेस हाइड्रोजन. ओके, एंड व्हाट अबाउट हाइड्रोजन? आई थिंक यू नो इट्स अ शी. Okay, standard electrode generally we have taken, and their value arbitrarily we have taken as 0. हमने arbitrarily लिया बच्चा, that one is 0. Okay, तो all these are applications of electrochemical series. Okay, thank you.